Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is origin and evolution of human being. Let us first learn about evolution itself. Students, evolution is the series of changes which occur and which cause a species to adapt to the changing environment. Due to these changes, new species develop from previous species. Unless the species can adapt to the environment, they will become extinct. Moving on students, next we have the dryopithecus. And as I just mentioned, this is man's first known ancestor. It was found in the parts of Africa, Asia and Europe. It lived in the Miocene epoch 20 to 25 million years ago. It exhibits close similarity to the chimpanzee. The legs and heels indicate a semi-erect posture, meaning it was not completely erect, but it used to walk on all four limbs. But sometimes it could become erect. Moving on students, the evolution of human being started from this stage, that is dryopithecus. Students, let us talk about the Java man. The Java man was a primitive man who lived in the middle Pleistocene epoch about 5 lakh years ago. He made use of fire for protection as well as for cooking. The cranial capacity was about 900 cubic centimeters. Next we study about the pecking man. It is the extinct hominid which is postulated from the bones found in China at the end of the 1920s. It was originally named as Sinanthropus pekinensis, but eventually Sinanthropus has now been classified as Homo erectus. Students, the Java man as well as the pecking man are just examples of Homo erectus. Moving on students, next we have the cro-magnon man. This is the extinct modern man. They looked very similar to the current modern man, that is Homo sapiens. First discovered in 1866 from the cro-magnon rocks of France. They were about 180 centimeters in height, that is about 6 feet tall. They had a large skull, a rounded forehead and a distinct chin just like humans. The eyebrow ridges were thin and the face was broad. The cranial capacity was even higher than our current cranial capacity. That is, it was about 1600 cubic centimeters. And finally students, they made use of tools and weapons such as spearheads, bows and arrows.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.